Hello! In this video I will show you how to bypass parental control on Teclast T60. So you have to start by opening your Google application, then click on your avatar, and now click on Manage your Google account. Then click on Data and Privacy, and you have to scroll down and click on Delete your Google account. Now click on Continue, and here you have to enter your screen lock. Now you have to scroll down and check these two checkboxes, then click Delete account. And now my account should be removed, so now let's go and recover it by opening, for example, Google Play Store, and then click Sign In. Now you have to enter your screen lock again. And here you have to enter my email address. And then click Next. And as you can see, my account is deleted, so now let's click Next to recover it. And now I have to enter my password. And now you can click I agree. Then click Accept. And as you can see, my account is recovered and parental control is bypassed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.